Class 9th we have started as we have started Act 1 Scene 2. Okay, and we have come to know that the scene shifted to Belmont, from Venice to Belmont, where we have found that Nerissa and Portia, they are talking to each other. We have also observed that there is a similarity in Act 2, Scene 1 and Scene 2, that and that similarity is that both Portia and Antonio, okay, at the beginning of the scene, they are sad. Antonio was sad because of his melancholic nature, but Portia is sad now because of the strange condition which she found in her father's will, according to which she cannot choose her own husband, and she has to choose that person who will select, or who will get, or who will choose the correct casket. Three caskets are there, as it was already, and three caskets are there. One is of gold, one is of silver, and one is of lead. Then many suitors have started coming from the different countries, okay, and as they come, Nerissa was taking the names of the suitors, and according to their name, Portia started describing them. Okay, so far we have come to know that three suitors have already come. One was County Palatine, second one was first was Neapolitan Prince, then County Palatine, and then Monsieur Bon. Now in further scenes, okay, in the remaining part of the scene, you will find that few more suitors are coming, okay, and Portia will describe them also according to their name and their qualities. So let's read out, let's go through the dialogues, that how many suitors will come, and who are the suitors who are the suitors who will be able to choose the correct casket. Clear? So children, we have already done the first description of the first two princes. That now let us come to the third description, how Nerissa take the name and how Portia describes. Okay, Nerissa, how say you by the French lord Monsieur Le Bon? Now what is your opinion about French lord? The name is Monsieur Le Bon. God made him, and therefore let him pass for a man. God made him because God has made him. That's why let him pass for a man. That's why I'm taking him as a man. I know it is a sin to be a mocker. Mocker, one who mocks. Okay, one who makes fun of other. So I know it's wrong to be ridicule others or to make fun of others, but he is why he has a horse better than Neapolitans, a better bad habit of frowning than the County Palatine. Now what she says, that he frowns more than County Palatine, and he is first of all, he has a horse, means he is attached to his horse more than the Prince of Naples, and he remains sad, and he frowns more than the County Palatine, whom she has already described. He is every man in no man, means he has everybody's characteristics. He has everybody's qualities, but no personality of his own. If a throstle sings, okay, throstle means a thrush. That is a very a bird, a common English bird. Okay, so if what is throstle? Throstle, I told you that it's a common English bird. It's a bird, you can say. If a throstle sings, he falls straight a capering. Capering means jumping up and down. What does it mean? Means whenever he hears a thrush sings, okay, thrush, the bird, he starts jumping up and down, and he will fence him with his own shadow, means, and he would draw sword, okay, he would take out his sword against his own shadow when he gets afraid from his own shadow. I should marry him, I should marry 20 husbands. If I should marry him, if I were to marry him, if I will marry him, then it would be like getting married to 20 husbands, because he doesn't have the personality of his own, and he has the quality of many people, many men. So if
he were to hate me, I shall never requite him. Okay, I would forgive him, for he would love me to madness. Means I would see this. Uh, if I would despise, I should marry 20 husbands. If he would despise me, despise means hate me. If he would hate me, I would forgive him. And if he loved me to madness, and if he would love me, but then I shall never requite him. I would never return his love. Nerissa, what say you then, Falconbridge, the young Baron of England? Now, what would you say about the Falconbridge, the young Baron of from England? Portia, I say nothing to him, for he understands not me. You know that I say nothing to him because he does not understand me. Okay, nor I him, nor I understand him. He hath neither Latin, French, nor Italian, and you will come into the court and swear that I have a poor pennyworth in the English. Now, see, you know that I say nothing to him because he does not understand me, neither I do understand him. He does not speak. What he does not speak? Latin, French, or Italian. And you could swear in the court that my English is poor, means I don't understand English. Okay, so he is a proper man's picture, but alas, he has the appearance of a handsome man. But it's really sad. Who can talk to a man without words? Means I do not know English and he does not know the other languages which I can speak. So who can talk? How one can talk to a man without words? Okay. How oddly he is suited. How oddly means how strangely he is suited. He is dressed up. I think he bought his doublet. What do you mean by doublet? Doublet means jacket. I think he had bought his jacket in Italy and his trousers. Okay, here oddly he suited. I think he bought his doublet in Italy, his round hose in France. Round hose means trousers in France, his bonnet in Germany. Bonnet here means cap, and his behavior everywhere, and he has taken manners from everywhere. Nerissa, what think you of the Scottish lord, his neighbor? So now Nerissa is saying, now okay, you just tell me something about the Scottish lord, his neighbor. Portia, he has neighborly charity in him. It seems as if he has love for his neighbor, for he borrowed a box of air of the Englishman because he has received a blow on his face from the Englishman, and he is swearing. So swear means he is swearing that he would pay him again when he was able. And at that time he is swearing, when he was getting a blow from Englishman, at that time he was swearing that he would give it, he would return it when he was able to do so. It means when he was getting blow, he was unable to do anything else now, and he promised that he would, when he would be able to do, then he would return it back. I think the Frenchman became his surety, and I think the Frenchman guaranteed that Scottish lord would repay his debt. Okay, and I think Frenchman became his surety and sealed under for another, and he has given his guarantee and signed his name underneath the Scotsman's signature on the bond as a guarantee for a friend. How would you like young German, the Duke of Saxony's nephew? How do you like the young German, the Duke of Saxony's nephew? Very lily in the morning when he is sober, means he is terrible in the morning when he is sober. When he wakes up in the morning, he is sober, but at that time he is very wild, he is very terrible. Okay, but most wildly in the afternoon, but worst in the afternoon. When the afternoon comes, he becomes worst. Okay, and at that time he is drunk. Okay, in the morning he is wild, he is terrible, but and terrible, that is the time when he is sober. Okay, and most wildly in the afternoon, he is worst in the afternoon when he is drunk. At the time he is drunk, and when he is best, and when at his best, he is worse, little worse than a man, and he is worst, he is little better than a beast. Means he is little worse than a man when when he is at his best position. Okay, at the time he is worse than a man, and when he is worst he is little better than a beast, and when he is at his worst he is not better than a beast. Beast means animal. And the worst fall that ever fell, I hope I shall make shift to go without him. And if the worst things that could happen should happen, means if the worst thing is about to happen, then I shall not accept him. Nerissa, if he should offer to choose and choose the right casket, you should refuse to perform your father's will. If you should refuse to accept him, it means that if he should offer to make his choice and choose the right, and if he offers to choose the casket, and if he would choose the right casket, then you would refuse to honor him, you refuse to perform your father's will, you would refuse to marry him if you should refuse to accept him. Portia, therefore, for fear of the worst, I pray thee. So in order to avoid such situation, such terrible situation, if he would the situation is what, if he would choose the correct casket, in order to avoid that situation, set a deep glass of Rhenish wine on the contrary casket. Please place a large glass of Rhenish wine. Rhenish wine is white wine, on the wrong casket, not on the correct casket, on the wrong casket. For if the devil be within, then that temptation without, I know he will choose it. Because if the smell comes from the wrong casket, he will get tempted to it, and he will choose it. Then he will not choose the correct casket, he will choose the wrong casket. I will do anything, Nerissa, before I will marry to a sponge. So I will do everything, Nerissa, in order to, before I am married to a drunkard. That is, drunkard means the sponge. Okay. Now, Nerissa, you need not fear, lady, and having any of this lord, and they may be acquainted me with their determination, which is indeed to return to their home, and to trouble you with no more suit, unless you may be won by some other sort than your father's imposition, depending on the casket. Nerissa, you need not to be worried, madam, having to marry any of these lords, because they had informed me their decision that they are going back to their homes, and they do not want to trouble you any more with their request, with their suits. So unless you are won by no other method except the one is imposed by your father, that is by choosing the correct casket. Okay. Portia, if I live to be as old as Sibylla, if I were to be as old as Sibylla, I will die as chaste as Diana, unless, means if I were to live as long as ancient Sibylla, I would rather die a virgin like Diana. I'll tell you later on, children, who is Sibylla and who is Diana. Okay, and unless I be obtained by a manner of my If I were to be as old as Sibylla, I will die as chaste as Diana, unless I be obtained by manner of my father's will. Means if I were to live as long as ancient Sibylla, I would rather die a virgin like Diana, if I am not won by method laid down in my father's will. I am glad this parcel of wooers means all the suitors, are so reasonable, are so understanding, okay, are so good, for there is no one among them but I on this very absence. I pray God grant them a fair departure. Okay, and there is none among them whose absence I regret. Okay, they are very good, but if they would go, I don't want to miss them. I also pray to God to grant them a happy journey. Nerissa, do you not remember, lady, in your father's time, a Venetian, a scholar and a soldier that came hither in company of the Marquis of Montferrat? Do you not remember, madam, in your father's time, when your father was alive, a Venetian, a scholar, this all description is for Bassanio, Venetian, a scholar and a soldier who had come here in the company of Marquis of Montferrat. Portia, yes, true. Yes, it was Bassanio, as I think so was he called. Yes, true, madam. Yes, he is all the men that ever my foolish eyes looked upon was the best deserving of fair lady, and I think he was called by this name. Okay, Bassanio. True, madam. Of all these men, if my foolish eyes have seen, he seemed to be the most deserving to win a fair lady. Fair lady means Portia. I remember him well. I remember him worthy of thy praise. I remember him well, and I remember him to be worthy of your praise. He deserved this praise. Now let enter a servant. How now that's news? There's a news, servant. The four strangers seek for you. They are taking, the four strangers want to take your permission, madam, to take leave, and there is a foreigner come from. Foreigner means the message. Foreigner come from a fifth, the Prince of Morocco, means there is a messenger. He brings the news from news of Prince of Morocco. It means who is coming? Prince of Morocco. Okay, who brings word? The prince, his master. He will be here tonight, and he has brought this news that his master will here tonight. Means who is about to come? His master, Prince of Morocco. Portia. If I could bid the fifth welcome with so good heart as I can bid the other four farewell, means if I could welcome the fifth suitor, Prince of Morocco, as happily as I bid farewell to four other, then I should be glad of his approach. Then I should be happy to hear the news of his arrival. Okay, if we have the condition of a saint, means if he has the quality of a saint and the complexion of a devil and the dark complexion of a devil, then I would rather he should shrive me than wive me. Then I would prefer, means if he has the complexion, quality of a saint and dark complexion of a devil, then I would prefer that he hears my religious confession, okay, rather making me wife. Come, Nerissa, Sirah, go before. Sirah means to attendant, servant. Go ahead of us. While we shut the gate upon one wooer, another knocks at the door. Because as we shut the gate for one suitor, another knocks at the door. Now, children, please pay attention and revise my explanation again in order to get the meaning of all these dialogues.